You don't need to learn editing at 40. BIGVU's AI turns your long videos into viral-ready shorts for you. And honestly, that was the thing that kept me stuck for way too long. I had solid content, tutorials, Q&As, full-length videos, but I had no idea how to chop them into shorts without it looking amateurish. BIGVU completely removed that wall. You upload your video, pick your clip length, confirm the language, and the AI does the rest. It finds the strongest moments automatically, titles them, formats them for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, whatever you need. I got 6 clips out of one 45-minute tutorial. Each one looked intentional, not just randomly sliced. No editing software, no learning curve. And everything lives in one place, your project section, organized and ready to go. If great content is already coming out of you, this is how you make it work harder. Download BIGVU and let the AI handle the rest.